Hello guys, welcome to a new YouTube video. Today on this short video I'm going to be showing you the speed sensor on a Chevrolet Impala 2008, and basically it's been reading the readings have been like off, so it would go from 0 to 20 and then jump to 40, come back down, and it would do it when the engine is hot. So I originally changed the sensor. I put the new sensor right there, which would be that one. And then in this car, so an issue with this cars, this is a harness. Yeah, that's the speed sensor harness, and this the protection for the wire, it gets heat up. It gets a heat from the transmission, so from there. So sometimes it falls down and it gets heat, and then it would make bad readings. But this car, also the codes that the scanner show me are P0722, and what else does it show me? Okay, system to reach, but the one for the speed sensor is the 0722. Okay, so I'm gonna be deleting that one. And also one more thing I want to show you is the wires that are touching the engine and the transmissions. I think it's a common issue on these cars that the wires will touch, the wire harness will touch the hot areas, and the wire will burn out, so it will send the wrong signal to the computer. So what I did was use this heat tape. So it's a protective sheathing. You put it here, so before it was touching, the wire harness was touching the coolant hose, which gets really hot, and you could see underneath how the protective piece broke. All this plastic broke down. It was dry and it was breaking off, so that was affecting the wires. Also, another point you guys want to make sure and check is down here. This one was touching the transmission, which gets really hot, so that could also affect your connections going into the transmission, and then it would be sending the wrong signals. So make sure you guys check this one, and again, you want to make sure you put this protective sheathing around your wire harness. So far it seems to be running fine. It's working, so it's reading the right speed and changing the gears. I'm gonna keep driving it. So far it seems like that fixed the issue. Also, this seems like I'm gonna be putting more of these. I have to buy more and put around this area too. Looks like it gets really hot from the exhaust right there, so you guys want to make sure it's all protected from the heat. Hope you guys like this video, and please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.